All right, if your car is 15 years old like mine is, the gas struts for the trunk door are probably about dead. So, show you guys an example. Mine don't take much to move. Show you again just a little bit. See how easily it falls. Normally you have to go at least like another 6 inches to get it to fall down with good gas struts. So I bought 2 of these guys on Rock Auto. They're about, I think, $9 and maybe $11. I can't remember. And I replaced them. So I wanted to make a video real quick on how to do that. And it's real simple. These have a little holding clip in them. So you'll take your screwdriver, your flathead, and filming with one hand and using a screwdriver with the other is a little difficult. But you put your flathead in there and the retaining clip will pop right out and the whole thing will come right off. Then we can rotate this around. Let me get my light. It's a little bit better because my garage is not well lit, terribly well lit. And we're going to get our flathead in there, pop it out just a little bit, enough to loosen the retaining clip, and whole thing pops off. And we can replace it. These come with new retaining clips, and we will do exactly the same thing to get them on. I'm going to go ahead and clean with just a paper towel, nothing special. I'm going to clean, I actually have one in my trunk here. Clean this off. It's all kind of grimy and dirty. And it'll make just for a little cleaner installation. Whoa. And then be careful that your trunk doesn't close on you, because mine almost did. With one basically blown gas shock on the other side, it's not very sturdy. So let's see if I can do this with one hand. I doubt I will be able to, but we're gonna give it a shot. Get my screwdriver. And we're gonna pop this right here. And I think these rotate. I can't remember, but I can't do this with one hand. So I'll pick you guys back up here in a minute. All right, got the second one on. The clips are a little bit of a pain in the butt to deal with. The retaining clips I had to fidget with quite a bit, but I got them both in. It's not terribly difficult to do, and it just takes some patience. So, but for less than $20, or roughly 20 bucks, we'll call it. Let's see, so now when I go ahead and close this, wow, there's still tension. You can see it actually retracts up quite a bit. Let me do it from the side angle here. So this time when I push on it, it still wants to pop up. I mean, that's huge. Right about, well, it still wants to pop up. I won't say my 6-inch estimate previously was right. Wow, that would have been slamming on my hands or my fingers if they were in there. So look at a little nudge. Okay, it shuts all the way, but I'd actually have to give it a little bit of a push now. So working as intended. Hope this helps someone. Hey, have a good day. Bye.